Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make personalized name label stickers using Canva. Whether you want to organize your office supplies, decorate your kids' school gear, or just add a little flair to your planner, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to design and download your own custom stickers, and trust me, it's way easier than you might think. Alright, let's get started. First things first, jump onto Canva. If you've never used it before, don't sweat it. Canva is a free, super user-friendly design tool that works right in your browser. Just head to Canva.com and either log in or create an account if you haven't already. This is your digital canvas, so once you're in, you're ready to roll. Now on the homepage, look for that big inviting create button usually at the top right. Give it a click. In the search bar that pops up, type in stickers. This is an important step because Canva will automatically pull up a bunch of pre-sized templates just for sticker making. You don't have to guess the right dimensions or worry if it'll look weird printed. Canva's already done that thinking for you. Once the sticker templates pop up, take a moment to browse through the different shapes, circles, rectangles, even stars and hearts. Imagine how you want your name label to look. Do you want something classic and simple like a neat rectangle, or maybe you'd prefer a fun rounded shape for a playful vibe? Select the shape that best matches what you have in mind. There's no wrong answer here, it's really about your style and where the stickers will go. If you're labeling lunchboxes, maybe a bold circle stands out. For folders, a sleek rectangle could look tidy. With your shape chosen, you'll be taken to Canva's editor. Now the fun really begins. On your blank sticker canvas, click on the text tool and type in whatever you want for your sticker. This could be your child's name, a team or classroom, or even a motivational word, anything that's meaningful to you. But don't stop at just typing. This is your chance to get creative and make your labels special. Play around with fonts until you find one that fits your vibe. Maybe you want something playful for a kid's name or a bold, easy-to-read font for office supplies. Try changing the colors. Maybe you want your favorite shade or something bright that stands out. Canva offers tons of elements too, like icons, borders, or cute little graphics. Drag in a little star, a heart, or even a cartoon animal if you're making these for kids. Think of it like decorating a notebook cover. The more personal touches, the more fun and unique your sticker will be. Once you're happy with your design, take a breath and give it a quick review. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and that the colors look right to you. Sometimes a little tweak can make all the difference. Don't worry if it takes a few tries, experimenting is half the fun. Now ready to save your masterpiece? Head over to the top right corner and hit the download button. Canva will let you choose the file type. PDF is great for printing, while PNG is perfect for digital use or if you want a transparent background. Download your design and just like that, you have your own custom name label stickers ready for printing. And that's it, super straightforward, right? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions or want to share your own sticker ideas, drop a comment below. I love seeing your creativity. Make sure to subscribe for more easy design tips and craft projects like this. See you in the next video.